Australia lost a wicket and fought back. Oh, that's plum, isn't it?
Where did
he hit it?
Where did it pitch as well?
Yeah.
Straight away, he's gone up.
Well worth a look. Well, yeah, referred it.
The umpire to director, we have a review here. Okay, there's no bat involved there. Can we go to RTS when it's available, please?
It's going to be tight, this, isn't it?
Let's roll that through. There's a clear gap there between bat. Yeah, clear gap between bat and pad. Go through the ball. Okay. Ball tracking when it's available, please. But we'll have to hang on here, guys. Ball tracking's not ready yet.
Ready to pitch.
Stand by.
I reckon it's pitched outside leg.
Umpire's call.
Well, it's definitely beaten him. A couple of good deliveries there from Natarajan.
Still waiting for ball tracking, guys.
Indians like it.
They're still waiting to build up ball tracking here, guys. To stand by.
Well, it's
looks to be in trouble here, I think, Maxwell.
Okay. Still waiting.
It was given not out.
So 51% of the ball's going to be inside.
Can we go back to this, please? We've got to go from the start. Thank you.
Yeah, Alex out.
We still haven't got the graphic correctly yet, please. Can we have the start of the graphic? Thanks. Okay, here we go. Pitching in line, impact in line. The wicket is hitting. I'm going to have to get you to change your original decision, Sean. Can we get the umpire on screen, please, Gavin?
The big wicket of Maxwell. Out for two, all of a sudden.
Final death over. No boomer tonight.
To Darcy Short. That's well struck from Short. Not well enough, though. Out. Big wicket. Big wicket. Natarajan gets his second. Harding Pandey with the catch. Match turns again. It falls on Mitchell Stark. Bold! Absolutely castled is Stark. Natarajan has got three. And more for 14, surely India's home.
And this is what he does best. Full straight on the stumps.